Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday digital dilemmas into simple steps. Today, we're tackling how to use a Visa card with PayPal. If you've ever wondered how to link your Visa for smoother online shopping or quick money transfers, you're in the right place. PayPal is a secure platform that lets you connect various payment methods, and adding a Visa card is a breeze. Let's dive in step by step. First off, ensure you have a PayPal account. If not, visit the PayPal website and sign up. It's free and takes just a few minutes. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallet section, usually found in your account settings. This is where you'll manage all your payment options. Next, look for the option to link a card or add a debit or credit card. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your Visa card details. That includes the 16-digit card number, expiration date, CVV code, and your billing address. Double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any issues. After submitting, PayPal may require verification. This often involves a small temporary hold on your card, like a few cents, which you'll need to confirm through your bank's app or statement. Don't worry, it's a standard security measure to protect your account. Once verified, your Visa card is ready to use. When making a purchase online, select PayPal as your payment method, log in, and choose your Visa card from the options. It's that straightforward and saves you from entering card details every time. A quick tip: always use PayPal on secure networks to prevent fraud, and keep an eye on your transaction history. Also, be aware of potential fees, like foreign transaction charges if you're buying internationally. There you have it. Using your Visa card with PayPal is simple, secure, and incredibly convenient. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more handy guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.